Hello, welcome to Teaching Technology. Today we will be doing a Siona AI SEO tutorial. I will show you how Siona works, and then I will input some websites into Siona AI tool, look at the Siona score, a sample title, and description. The link for Siona will be in the description of this video, as well as the code snippet. Let me know in the comments if you would like me to integrate Siona SEO AI tool into your web page. Setup. So the first thing we're going to do is you're going to go to your account and you're going to click on Siona. If you don't have a website, you can actually make one with Levi. Next, you're going to input a web address. After you've inputted your web address, you will obtain a Siona SEO score. You will get some sample blog posts. You will get this link snippet, which again, like I said, I will put in the description of this video. Basically, the way it works is that you will take this snippet and input it into the head tag of your website. It works with any standard website, whether it be Wix, WordPress, Framer, Duda, any no-code site you can input this inside of. All right, so let's get to the websites. So we're just going to do 3 websites here. The first one is marcodenic.com. And we have that here in our dashboard. So we have marcodenic.com. His SEO score is a 6. This is based on domain authority and search visibility. And Siona is analyzing the site. Here we go. So the first thing that it does is going to create a new description. So for this web page, he had web developer, public speaker, IT trainer, and consultant. That is now changed to discover Marco Denic, a web developer who specializes in creating beautiful and fast websites. Learn more about his experience and services. Next, we have a new optimized title. It used to just be Marco Denic, web developer. Now it's Marco Denic, web developer / creating beautiful and fast websites. Next, we have 2 sample blogs. The first one is the future of web development, what technologies you should know. And the second one is boost your website's performance with these front-end optimization techniques. Next, we have Mehos Brewery. And we put that in the Siona web page. Here we go. It's a 7, so it's in the green, based on domain authority and search visibility. Domain authority is an 8, also in the green, and search visibility is a 6. He does have a missing link target and a missing title. And here are his 2 sample blogs. Must try craft beers from around the world, and Beyond the Basics, exploring different types of spirits. Finally, we have precise detailing. And that's a Wix site. He is a 5.5. One thing it's important to note, his domain authority is a 10, search visibility is a 1. One thing that's important to note is with inputting Siona scores with inputting your website into Sona AI, you want to make sure that is not only optimized, but that you have your own domain, because he does not it is unable to create a new description and optimize the title. And those are the three. Finally, this is the snippet. SeonaAI comes with a 14-day trial. In that 14-day trial, you can input this snippet into your head tag like so, copy paste. You can utilize platforms like Framer or Duda, for example, or you can utilize Wix, WordPress, whatever site you want to utilize. Put that in the head tag. Finally, very important to note with SeonaAI, if you're going to use SeonaAI, you want to make sure that not only your site is optimized for SEO, but you want to make sure that you take full advantage of the service. Like I said previously, this is just for an unpaid service, what it offers in the interim. What you want to do is make sure that you're continuously having it optimize your site. Again, to close, if you want me to input SeonaAI into your webpage, put a comment in this video. I would love to input SeonaAI into your website. Utilize a 14-day trial on you. Thank you so much, and everybody have a great day.